Hey everybody, how's it going? It's John. You know me as Turning Wrenches 85 here. Hope everybody's having a good week so far here. We're starting to get into the mowing season now. Um, you guys already probably saw by the thumbnail here, and I'll show you. Normally I don't do this. I usually show you what I'm fixing. So, but this one I did off camera. It was for my brother-in-law. He picked up this. He bought this tractor, not running, and had me fix it for him. So I had to do. There was some work that had to be done to it there, and he said that whatever basic items it needed, go ahead and do it, and he'll compensate me for it. So no big deal there. So I'll turn you guys around and I'll show you guys the tractor here. Here it is. It's a 17.5 Murray, 17.5 horsepower, 42-inch deck Murray overhead valve. It's got the Tecumseh Enduro XL engine on it. There, my brother-in-law, he paid $150 for it. Now I'm running, and the things I had to do to it, I had to put 2 tubes in the back tire. There. Further along in the video, I'll show you guys. I'll tell you guys the incident I had with one of the tubes. I had to throw 2 tubes in it though. He wanted new blades on it because the other blades were shot on it that I took off there. I sent him pictures and he said just go ahead and replace the blades, brand new ones. Did that. I had to grease the fittings on the wheels. They were turned okay, but they were a little stiff, so they got some red grease on there. Not red and tacky grease, but red grease. What else? You guys probably saw on Instagram that I showed that I cleaned it. Used Super Clean to clean it. Cleaned it up really good. It had looked like oil leak. I cleaned up most of the oil on there. I haven't seen anything leaking out yet, so maybe we're okay. There's some grease right there I didn't get, but I'll try to clean that up a little bit better. Now, like I said, I had to clean out the tank. Only problem I had with Super Clean is it took off some of the numbers for the height. So I took some black magic marker and fixed the height for them on there. There. Did that. Like I said, I put new blades on it. I leveled the deck out for them. There, so it should be good to go there. Carburetor. I tried to use the OEM carburetor. I tried cleaning it. Didn't have no luck with it. Ran it through the ultrasonic cleaner twice. Couldn't get it to go. So I ended up having to, this one I had for another tractor I had over there in the Horde that was supposed to be for it. So I took that out, gave it a once over, put it on here, and it fired up. No big deal. It's got a new Sten's oil filter, new fuel filter, and new fuel lines I ran on it because the other ones were stiff. Unfortunately, the clamps would not work that they supplied me with, and the ones I had wouldn't work on it, so unfortunately no clamps. Oil's been changed. It's got 10 weight 30 oil in it. It's got a new air cleaner and all that stuff I bought at Tractor Supply. The fuel filter and the air filter there, which is weird to carry that at Tractor Supply, the air filter. Like I said, this is a good running engine. Not bad engine at all. I have no problems with it. Some people do. I don't. As long as it runs. But anyway, yeah, nice little machine there. Front tires hold air. Like I said, the back tires, they were dry rotted. One of them had a crack in it. There, I tried to. I don't think put an ATF would have fixed it, so I had to put the tubes in it. There. But like I said, overall, nice machine. It's not perfect. I cleaned up good, but there's some imperfections. It's missing some of the foot padding here. It's got a little rust on the deck. I don't think he's really worried about that too much. There. The belts, surprising enough, are actually good on this tractor. The dry belt and the deck belts. because he was asking me to replace them, and I didn't replace them because there was nothing wrong with them. There. Also, the battery that was originally in this tractor was dated 2008. I tried to revive it, no luck. So I threw one of my batteries in there. I was charging for my battery that I had in it. So this is a battery I had in one of the that I used in my that MTD Yardman tractor I'm working on. I just threw this battery in there for it. There's some spots I missed, but I mean, other than that, it cleaned up good. Like I said, here's the model number of it. It's dated 1999. There, it's not bad. Lawrenceburg, Tennessee, it was manufactured in. That's about a couple hours from us where we live. Like I said, not bad. Little machine, cleaned up good. Like I said, it's got new blades on it. Let me show you guys real quick. There, brand new blades. I ordered off of Amazon, max power blades. They're just regular high lift blades. There, like I said, for the age of this mower, you know, it's actually in really good shape. I don't know if you guys can see the belts. Not very good, but the belts are actually good on this tractor, surprising enough. I mean, overall, it's not bad shape. I'm gonna go ahead and start it up real quick. Let you guys listen to it. Oh yeah, real quick. Before we start it up, let me tell you that incident I was going to tell you. I had to go put a tube on one of the other tires. I went to Tractor Supply when I got off work. Bought it. Brought it home. I waited a couple hours before I went out there to go put it on my brother-in-law's tractor. I went to... I busted the bead on the tire. I went to go put it on there. And... unfortunately, we have no honest people in this world. They took somebody that took a tube they didn't want, threw it in the box, and I didn't know it. The tube had grass on it. The valve stem was busted on it, and yeah, that was it. The valve stem was busted on it, and it was dirty. It had grass on it. I didn't know that. Talking about frustration, so I had to go back out, go drive all the way back to Tractor Supply to get it swapped out. They had no problem swapping it out. They just asked me why I was swapping it out, and I told them, I said, this is what I found when I opened the box. So I said, unfortunately, I wasted a day then at the time, because by the time I got home, it got dark there. So that was the unfortunate thing. Other than that, I mean, I got a new tube on it. I think it was this tire right here. I had to throw it on there. But, yeah, we did that. Got that all... Well, we got it all sorted out. So it's all good. It's just a little ordeal I had that day. You know, unfortunately, we have no honest people in this world. If you're going to bring something back, I mean, just tell them that you did something, that the tube was messed up when you got it, or you broke it, or just don't even bring it back. I mean, because unfortunately, I was the poor person that picked up the tube, and I didn't know it. I didn't open the box. I just grabbed it off the shelf, and I paid for it. It was a $28 tube at Tractor Supply, and I brought it home. And then I waited a couple hours later, and I found out that the tube was defective because somebody else threw a defective tube in there, and I got the brunt of it, of having to deal with that. So yeah, without further delay, let me go ahead and get everything set up. I'm going to start this mower up and let you listen to it run. Alright, let's go ahead and start it up. Lock the parking brake. Choke on. Key on. Oh yeah, even the lights worked on it. Look, Henry, it's got lights. idles down pretty good too. Alright, let me go get you guys set up. I'm going to put you guys on the tractor. We're going to go for a little ride. Hey, look, the first time you guys are going to be on the tractor. Down the road we go. Okay, we got straight forward in fact. There you go. Now you guys see what I see. A little bump right here. okay. What do you guys think? Not a bad little unit. Not bad, not bad. Unfortunately, it goes a little bit more. And the fuel solenoid works too on this thing. Alright. Yeah, not bad little machine. So, this actually was a fun project to do. Like I said, it wasn't bad to do. Just had to throw new blades on it. Oh, wait a minute. I'll bring you guys back. We'll end this video. I'll explain it all. Anyway, that was a quick little video of showing this. Normally, I show you guys repairs I do on anything I get over here at the house. But this one I did you know, off camera because it wasn't really much to do on it. Like I said, this carburetor, it needed I cleaned the lenses out as well. Is that one popping out? Yeah. That one I got popped back in. That lens popped out. I cleaned those lenses out and stuff. Like I said, I got to fix that part, push that back in, but it's no big deal. I just got to let my brother-in-law know it's ready, and I have to go and deliver it to him. They live about 30 minutes from where I live, so I have to drive it out there. And the way gas prices are nowadays, jeez. Hopefully enough we sell some stuff this year. The way everything's going, I don't know. I get kind of worried because the way the gas prices are, I don't know if I'll sell anything this year. I'll get lucky if I do. Hope so. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You guys like it, give me a thumbs up. If you guys like me to do some of these videos like this, I'll do them every so often, there as time permits. Let's see if we can get my goal this year is to hit 1,000 subscribers. I am currently at 721 as of this video here. You guys probably won't see this video till later on in March possibly, but or April. This depends on how I schedule it out there. But anyway, just wanted to let you know. Hopefully enough. I'm getting close to that mark by then. That's my goal for this year. I'll hit the 1,000 mark on subscribers. So share this video out. Give me a big old thumbs up. Follow me on Instagram. I post stuff, sometimes previews of stuff before I put them out on YouTube or the community tab on YouTube as well. And as I always say, keep on turning those wrenches, y'all. I'll see you guys in the next video. Y'all take care.